In this video, I need to create the LR parse table. To understand creating an LR parse table, first we need to draw the conical collection of LR0 items. In this, we need to consider the production with an augment production. If I am having dot with the variable, that variable productions are also start with what? Dot symbol at the right hand side. And this is nothing but what? Closure function. Go to function is what? Dot with any variable or and terminals always given with what? Next statement, next productions. So now what happens? Dot on is the dot may go for next symbol. Then dot on a, the dot on a means what? A dot will comes what? In between a. Then if I am having dot with the capital A means what? Again that capital A is nothing but what? That all the productions are start with what? Dot symbol on this particular case. Then dot on small a, here I wrote. Dot on b, the dot on b means what? Dot is shifted to the next level. It means what? Go to function on b. Same thing here end the thing because we don't have any symbol in front of this particular dot symbol. So it end. Here what happens? Again we can move the dot on a, dot on capital A. So again what happens here? One more states we can found out by having this particular production. So here S tends to a dot. Here I am not writing any closure function because we don't have any non-terminal, that is nothing variable in front of that particular dot. Same way we are having dot a means I already went with what? Dot a is nothing but what? We already went with what? This particular production. So dot a on this, again it will become same. Dot b is nothing but it will same as before we studied. Again we come to this particular state. Dot on capital A means what? Dot on capital A, it may go for the next state, that is a capital A dot. Again dot on A is nothing but in the same self loop. Dot on B it will come to I4 state. This you understood. So now if I am given with this I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6 with the state names. So again here what I did, I'm go on writing all the states here, and these are given with what? All the terminals, and these are given with what? Non-terminals or a variable. First I will went with what? I0 on A. So now I0 on small a, where it will go? I3. So I will consider it as what? S3. I0 on B. So I0 on B, what I will do? I0 on B, where it will go? I0 on B, it will go what? I4. I0 on B, where it will go? I4. I will consider it as what? S4. Same thing you go on writing. I1 on A. I1 on A, is there anything is there? No. I1 on B? No. I2 on 3? No. So just I will write it as what? Except state. I1 on is nothing but what? It will become, we don't have anything. So, and also this particular production I1, whatever state is there, this is nothing but we are ending the augmented production. We are ending with what? Augmented production, extra production it is. So there only I need to accept. So I will write which state over there? Accept. I will write accept state. Okay, now I2 on A. So now I2 on A. What is the thing? I2 on A, capital A. I2 on capital A is nothing but I5. So I will go with what? I2 on capital A. I will write as what? I5. I will write only 5 over here. Okay, now next is what? I2 on small a. I2 on small a is nothing but what? I2 on small a, I will write it as what? S3. I2 on small a, I will write it as what? S3. Same way, I2 on small b, I will write it as what? S4. Understood? Now, I2, is there any productions? No. Now come to I3 state. I3 on small a will be what? S3 only. I3 on small b, where it will come? S4 only. Then I3 on capital A, where it will go? I3 on capital A, where it will go? It will go capital 6. I4 on small a. I4 on small a, is there any cases? No. So now I4 on small a, we can write it as what? It will not go anywhere, but it will end with which production? It will ending what? B dot. So B dot is which production? The numbers are given with what? Number is given with what? What here? Third number. Means what? Whatever the production is there, the production is end up over here. So what is the number of this production? Am I having any I4 on A, I4 on capital A, I4 on small b? No, because it already end the thing. So what is the number of this production? That is 3. So I will write it as what? Reduce 3. Everywhere I will write R3, R3, R3. Same way I need to go with what? I5 state. Again what happens here? I5 is nothing, also is given with what? End the production. I5 also given with what? End of the production. So what is the number of the production? That is 1. So everywhere I will write R1, 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 R1. Same way I will go for what? I6. I6 also is given with what? That is I6 is A capital A. A capital A, what is the production? See here, dot is end over here. So we don't have I6 on small a, I6 on small b. No, because it's already end the production. So I6 is nothing but what? I can write it as what? I6 with A capital A dot means what? What is the number we are having? 2. So I will write it as what? R2, R2, R2. Okay. So now this is the case we are having, and we are having with what? One more case is I naught on capital S. I naught on capital S, where it will go? I1. I naught on capital S, where it will go? I1. I naught on capital A, where it will go? I2. Yes or no? I naught on capital S, where it will go? I1. I naught on capital A, where it will go? I2. So that I will write here. 2 and 1. You may get to know that these whatever things are there, they are acting as shift. S3, S4 and all. This is acting as what? Reduce. And these numbers, whatever they are given, they are telling about the how to shift the and reduce the functions. Okay, means here I0, I2 and I3. I0, I2 and I3, those are not end with the dot symbol. Just what we need to do? See, is there any end of the end is given with the dot symbol? No, don't consider this. Okay, it's not. While saying, I put the point here. Here no point. Always it is having starting. Here also in middle. Here also it is in middle. There is no points are end at the rightmost. There is no dot will be at the end of the rightmost symbol of a production. So because of that, I0, I2 and I3, just we need to shift till we reaches to dot will be reaches to what? End of the right hand side. Means everything we cannot read in which all the status I0, I2 and I3 states. But in we are read everything in B is read in which state? I4 state. A capital A read in which state? I6 state. I5 state read which symbol? Capital A and capital A. Because of that we used I4, I5 and I6 with R. And they are given with the numbers. So just given the numbers also. R3, 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 R1, 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 R2, R2, R2. So now we, by considering this particular parse table and this particular numbers, we can create the stack implementations. Okay. Now if I consider the stack symbol is start with what? 0 state. I will start with what? 0 state. Okay. And what is input I consider here? Small a, small b, small b. Okay. Now first we'll start with what? 0 on A. I already draw same diagram one more time here. 0 on A. It is nothing but what? Which we are having? Shift 3. So now I will write what here? shift S3 with A on where? On a stack symbol. So I will write $0 3 and which input symbol I need to write? A over here. And remaining, we remain with what? A, B, B, dollar. Sorry, A with what? 3. Okay. Now, again what we need to consider? 3 on B. 0 on A is nothing but what? 0 on A is nothing but what? 3. That is, we need to shift what? Shift A with 3. Like that it is. Shift A with 3. I am shifting A with which symbol? 3 symbol. Then 3 on A. So now I3 on A. I3 on A, again it is given with what? S3. So again what I need to write? Shift A with 3. Again it is nothing but what? $0A3. Shift A with 3. Again we remain with what? BB dollar. Understood this? Now B on 3. B on 3. So now again it is nothing but what? 3 on B. 0 on A, 3 on A, 3 on B. 3 on B. Which symbol we are having? S4. It is nothing but what? Shift B with 4. That is nothing but what? $0A3. Which symbol I need to shifting here? B with what? 4. Now we are having B dollar. Now again 4 on B. 4 on B. 4 on B. What we are having? Which function we are having? The reduce function. Shift function is over. Now we are having reduce. Reduce number. What is the number we are having? Reduce 3. Reduce 3. We need to consider third number production. What is the third number production? One more time I written here. Third number production is A tends to small b. A tends to small b. It means what? This particular b is reduced with an capital A. So now how I will write? $0A3 then capital A. Okay. Now we don't have any symbol, but what we need to consider? We need to go with one what? A on 3 means I need to consider here 3 on A. So now I3 on A, which symbol I am having? I6. That is 6. I will write as it is here. Now once I get the symbol, understood? I don't have any symbol after capital variable. I don't have any letters. I don't have any numbers in front of that. Means what we need to consider? I need to step back one symbol. Just we need to see that. Then that is A3. That is nothing but what? A3. A. That is 3 on A. 3 on A. Which symbol we are having? 6. So I will write 6 here. I will write 6 here. Okay. Then 6. That is nothing but 6 on B. Again we will come to here. 6 on B. Which symbol we are having? R2. So now R2 is nothing but what? Reduce 2. Which number it is? A tends to small a capital A. A tends to small a capital A. So now this get reduced. A tends to small a capital A with that particular numbers are get reduced. So now it will become $0A3. A3 capital A3 A6 is get reduced to what? Capital A. Then this will be as it is. Again go to what? A with the 3. Again is nothing but what? 3 with the A with the 3 is A on 3 is nothing but what? Again we will get the number as 6. Number as 6. Again again what we need to consider, 6 on B, that is 6 on B, which symbol we are having, R2. So again it will given with what, reduce to, that is A tends to A, capital A means what, this will get reduced with one capital A. So we are remained with a 0 capital A, B dollar. Again A on 0, A on 0, what we are having, 0 on capital A we are having with what, 2, that is A on 0 or 0 on A, both are same, don't get confused, that is nothing but we'll write 2 over here. Again 2 on B, again we need to understand 2 on B, which symbol we are hanging, shift, that is shift B with 4. Okay, now it will become $0 $0. What I'm writing here, 2 on B, I will write A 2, I will shift B with the symbol 4, I remain with what, dollar here. Again 4 on dollar, again we will come here, 4 on dollar symbol, 4 on dollar, what we are having, R3. Again R3 is nothing but what, which function, reduce function, reduce R4, that is reduce nothing but what, reduce R3. What is the number we are having, I4 on dollar we are having R3. What is R3 here, A tends to B, I will write A tends to small b. So now that will B is get reduced to what, capital A. Again that is nothing but $0 A to this B4 is get reduced to what, capital A, then dollar. Understood? If I am having non-terminal, again we need to see the left hand side. So A on 2 come here, that is 2 on A, 2 on here, A on 2, both are same, that is I need to consider it as what, 5. So now how I will write here, one more time write here, dollar, okay, $0 capital A to capital A, here I remain with what, dollar. Okay, so now 2 on A, 2 on A, 2 on A, what we are having, 5. So I will write $0 A, 2 on A I am having 5. Okay, then I will write dollar as it is. Now it means what, I will write 2 on A I am having with what, 5. I need to write here only. So now 5 on dollar, 5 on dollar, what is the value I am having, 5 on dollar I am having R1. R1 is nothing but what, reduce R1, that is nothing but S tends to AA, means this will get reduced to S. See, just I went some mistake here, I just reduced here, don't reduce, because just I went with what, A on 2, A on 2, where I need to write 5, in front of that capital A only. Understood this? Now how I need to write, 0, that A to A5 is get reduced to what, capital S, then dollar as it is. Understood? So now S on, see again we went with what, non-terminal, S on 0, S on 0, S on this particular 0, 0 on S, which I am having symbol as 1. I will write where I need to write 1 I write here only, in front of that only I need to write, don't write next. So now 1 on dollar, so again what happens here, 1 on dollar, which I am having, which function I am having, accept. So like this we need to do which thing, stack implementation. Okay, so by considering things we need to go on writing the things, go from bottom to up. Which for function action we are having now, the first action is what, S tends to AA, so I will write it as what, S A, A. What is next symbol I'm having? A with the B. A with the B. Then again this A is given with what? Again this A is that is parse tree. Wait.